Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse your browser. Or use Google Play Store. So right here, if we open any app and try installing it, it will be in the pending state forever. It will never download. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings for the phone, then scroll all the way down, find system settings, go for date and time, and here enable set time automatically. Now if we go back to our Google Play Store and try installing this app, it should start downloading, and the same is with Google Chrome. We can reload the page and it should load without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.